So a lot of people have been asking, how do you actually remove someone from your Interlink security group? I'm going to show you that. I am going to show you that. But before we begin, if you don't know what a security group is, you want to check the video in the video description to understand what a security group really is, right? By the time you're done watching those videos, you'll be more knowledgeable about what Interlink Security Group is all about. So as always, you just have to come to this very human icon right here. Just click on that. And right here, you can see the security group we have. If you remember, we can only join 5 and we can only create 5. The total group you can join and create is 5 in numbers. It cannot exceed 5. So it is important you know who you're picking. So how do you actually remove someone from a group? It's simple. So I'm just going to use this very group as an example. This very group is called CPLP. I'm going to click on it right now, and you can see right here there are a lot of inactive people right here. So how do I remove them? It's simple. The only way to remove them is to click on this very icon at the top right hand corner of your screen, which is the leave group route. So yeah, the only way to remove these people from this group is for you to leave the group. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on leave group right now, and that's it, right? We have successfully left the group, and we now have about 4 groups right here. So if you want to create a group again, as always, you can come over here, right, and create a group. This is basically how it works. You can't remove someone from a group, but you can leave a group, right? So that's it. You can't actually remove someone from a security group, but you can actually leave the group. So this is basically what you need to know. I hope I've been able to solve some people's question, because a lot of people are asking, how do I remove someone from a group? But if you do know this person, then you can go ahead and ask them to leave the group. And sometimes they do oblige, but most times they don't, right? So if you know that there are a lot of inactive people and you don't have a group that fetches your 180 ITOG daily, then you can go ahead and leave the group and then get people who are more active to join this very group. So this is it. This is what I decided to bring to your notice today. Like this video, share this video to the others who need this very information, will be able to access it easily. Also subscribe if you haven't, drop your comment if you have any question, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.